Okay, what we are looking at is my live well pump. The pump is brand new, but the housing that holds it is 16 years old. You see the crack? I put some primer. I put some marker primer there. The crack is causing a leak. Too much hassle to change the whole housing, especially since I have to throw the brand new pump out and get a new pump. We're going to use the PVC glue. We're going to use a PVC cement to fix the problem, and I'm not just going to add glue because then the crack will be as strong as the glue, which is not. I broke off a bunch of pieces of PVC and found one that would match it to give it a, so basically I'm going to go like this. I'm going to just put a piece there to cover the hole, and that will give it a strength. And since we're down here already, I want to show you these valves. You need to know what they are. They're called Seacock valve, and they shut off the hoses. So if this thing totally malfunctions, this area will get flooded. You will shut off the valve that goes with that system. I think I have like 4 valves down there, and it's a good idea to have an auto belch pump. The blue one is the belch pump, and it's auto. The other blue is the switch that turns the pump on when there is water here. Even if I don't know about it, the pump will kick in. Make sure you have a working belch pump, and if you have a choice, use an automatic belch pump because it kicks in without you knowing there's a problem. So that's what we're going to do. Next shot, I want to show you the gluing. This is a very tight area. Look at the opening. You cannot be a big guy because you have to go in there and do the work. Alrighty, all of that before fishing. Let's go do the work.